You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot. You got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss, oh, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything. Daunting thought. If I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Don't let go. Don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen no many once that I so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
I'll give up everything, daunting life. If I can see my dream, make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything, make what I want a reality. Going down, I'll give up everything, daunting life. If I can see my dreams, in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great.
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitch. Good morning, Kick. The new microphone is in. Hopefully I sound good now. And we're going to see how the Discord sounds in comparison so that I can hear you guys.
Okay, that sounds 100% on YouTube.
Are we about the same level, or are you lower or louder than me?
Okay, I'm back in Discord now.
Okay, are you lower or louder than me? Or are you the same tone, or how'd you
same.
hear?
Sounds good. Sounds
Okay.
good.
All right, YouTube, Twitch, Kick, if you guys want to hear it differently, let me know. If anybody's lower than others or whatever, just
Yeah.
let me know. The music should be right. Everything should be good. Yep. Let's see if we can find some trades, guys. Beautiful.
Yes, please.
Here. Reality, what's up, Rad Rat? Tell YouTube we're making $1 million. We're making $1 million today? YouTube, Rad Rat says we're making $1 million today.
I just want to do 1,500, whatever.
Yeah, that works. That works.
I'm not greedy.
Let's see what we can find. Like I said, if I turn my head away from the mic, just guys let me know if I'm doing too much talking away from the mic, because it's a dynamic mic, and how it works is it only picks up your voice from the front end of the mic, and I did that on purpose so we get clarity without all the background noise. So it's a perfect mic for this, you know, for this setup. It's just as I turn my head to the left to look at the TV that we talk about, my voice may fade out and I may not realize it, to where the boom arm, once I get it, I didn't want to buy the boom arm until I made sure the mic would work well. Once I get the boom arm, then I can take the mic with me, obviously, right? So. All right. Let's see what we can do, guys. And I think speaking down, I should still be picked up as something that's super good, because you already know sometimes I speak lower.
Attach the boom thingy to your head. Yeah, good idea.
There you go. Then you get to swing it around with you.
Yeah, then the mic will be in front of your mouth at all times.
Yeah. I'm not sure how heavy that'll be on my head though. I think the mic's like 2 pounds and the boom's like 2 or 3 pounds, something like that. So
Well,
like
you
5.
you can modify a boom, something, you know, an old hard hat.
Yeah.
Take the hat part off and just on that harness mount something. So yeah, you know. You might have to learn to actually maneuver the mic when you turn your head.
Yeah.
You know, just
I'm gonna
whatever
have
works,
to.
man.
I already know I'm gonna have to do that, because that's. How do you hear me right now? While I'm talking,
you disappear.
Here.
You disappear.
That's what I worried about. Hopefully you can hear me then. Okay, let's see.
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah.
Because I'm looking for a position here. Let's. So far, guys.
Again, you might have to move your head.
Yeah. Yeah, I have to look back. The problem, I mean, here's where I need to be talking at, but the problem is when I look at that screen to the left, I'm looking away from the mic, but we're about to get in the buy.
Yes, no,
so
exactly. That's what I mean. So when you look to the left, you have to move your head to the right and forward, so you still speak over the mic. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So instead of just turning your head, you have to move your head over to the right and look back towards the mic.
Yeah, exactly.
Over the
before.
mic towards the screen.
Yep, exactly. The thing is, the mic is to my right. The mic is placed to the right of me and attached to the right of me, and the screen is to the left. So when I look,
make it even worse.
Yep, exactly. Yeah. So when I get the boom, I'll just pull the mic with me. But as of right now,
no. I understand. So the mic is to your right.
Correct. Mic's to the right.
What you might have to do, I don't know what your setup looks like, is move your keyboard and laptop away from you a little and put the mic right in front of you, so you actually work with your hands around the mic.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, that wouldn't be the worst idea.
Now.
Yeah. Hopefully I could just
turn around and.
Yeah, hopefully they take the offer on the boom and that'll work, because I've got it kind of permanently attached. Ish.
Yeah.
This is gonna be. It's gonna be too big of a stop. If you guys want to take this, this is a good trade, guys. I can't take it. If you get a flip, you can expect the recovery this wick, guys. Right? We closed. It's a little sketch. It's a little sketch because we closed right at it. Not going to make any things here. You know, we closed right at the level. So in my opinion, it is a little risky. And number two, the stop is, I think it's right at my 30. I think it's right at 31 ticks. Yep, right at 31 ticks. So for me, I can't take this. Again, somebody who takes smaller orders, things like that. On the flip, maybe. It's going to be a 31 tick stop loss. Take profit one will be 20. 25, 26. Oh, I'm not taking it. I'm just telling you guys the position. Again, should you take it? Should you not take it? That's absolutely up to you guys. You guys use your own thoughts of what you're doing. Hopefully you can't hear my keys. That's the one thing I wasn't sure about. I typed there. Okay.
Nope.
Okay. I think I've got the gate set just about right. It's just me keeping the microphone in the right spot. That's all. But what?
No. You're good.
Guys, again, here's the flip. I'm not in it. Completely up to y'all. Anybody wants to? I can't do it, guys. The stop's just not there. I'm following my rules, but that right there, bang. Stops, profit one at the wick, and then of course start securing your stop loss as we get into these. Everybody is taking it. That is a preferred setup, just not an entry for me. Buying gold, SA95. Hey, good morning, man. No, the buy is there, but for me, the stop loss is too big. Setup's there, the stop is not. So for me, it's not an entry. I don't like particularly that we closed right at the level either. So, in my opinion, it's a little high risk as well. Again, not trying to, you know, get anybody thinking one way or another, because it's a the right setup, right? Yeah, I told you that. It's right at that spot. That's what I said earlier. The left. Correct. I said it's a little more risky, but I still gotta be honest with you. I still not a bad position. It's a position, right? But I'm not taking it, so not bad because you gamble to recover the wick. Yeah, you'll get the wick recovery first, and then you expect to fill the range past that. So there's no reason that we shouldn't test the highs. If you look on a lower time frame, what is this? What you're looking at right here is your M on a lower time frame. So when you retest that, it's going to be the double top, right? That's what they're trading on the 5-minute currently. Right? Does that make sense? Breaks, then you're talking about the...
You do fade away quite a bit.
Yeah, I turned away. I turn away. It's my, like I said, once I get the boom, it'll be different. But as of right now, I'll deal with what I got here, and I'll try not to turn away. Just make sure you guys try to just let me know if I do, because what I do is I turn my head. I have to actually be looking right. I have to be looking right in order for it to work well. And then when I look left to look at that other screen that you guys are looking at, then I fade away. So there you go for anybody who is riding this. You're getting up there. Be sure to secure profit once you start testing that wick, guys. I mentioned the resistance, and absolutely did, Chief Lock. More than likely, you will wick above area to fill that wick. Also said that we closed almost at the spot there. If you didn't want to take it, if you don't want to take it, don't take it, Chief Blockade. This is anybody that want to take it, don't take it. Again, I'm not in it, so. At 9:41. No more news today, I don't believe. So essentially, you're running off the 930 volume currently. There's that. Should give you the top here. Come on, push up and hit it. And then if
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do.
This shit just doesn't want to move nowadays. It's just
yeah, no, it seems like to me
walking
that
in.
the news pushes you first, and then after the news, then it just kind of sets. You should be about 20 ticks up so far, guys.
Yeah, I closed the 20 ticks because it's just, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, up to you. So 26 for the wick recovery. 20 you should be up. It's completely up to you how you manage it at this point. Like I said, 930 volume should have pushed us. Not saying we won't push anymore, but pay attention, manage your position at this point, because I would have liked to seen it push already. So I'm going to tell you, man, I probably would have did about the same as you. Now, we still could push up, don't get me wrong, but you're better to secure your profit and get out rather than taking the chance of it coming back down and stopping you out. You always know that's how I prefer to look at it. Again, everybody can trade the way they want to trade. People can say, okay, well, we left money on the table or whatever. Who cares? Better than taking money out of your pocket to pay for a stop, in my opinion. But still could push up.
What I did
Let's
was
see.
on the when on the futures side, I closed at 20 ticks. On the forex side, I ran it to where it started turning around. I closed 80%, brought my stop loss into break even, and left it. Of course, the spread took me a bit of the loss on the stop loss, but it's okay.
Hey guys.
Not. Hello,
Hey.
Uncle Wolf.
How's it going, Uncle Wolf?
All good. I'm waiting for the 5-minute candle to close above a certain price so I can long.
Good job.
But
Good job.
I'm still waiting.
Yeah, we already took, I mean, I didn't take it because the stop loss was too big, but I already called out the long entry. I think, like Manpour was just saying, he got out at like 20 ticks. So he did well. I still expect it to recover that wick that we're looking at. We almost got there, which would have been 26 ticks, and then if we break that, we'll be filling the top of the range. So it's a good long here. Oh, Burb. Burb's not here.
Mr. Biofix is here.
Hey, Mr. Bile. How are you, sir?
Let me see. Sorry, I had you muted. I can hear you again.
Yep. We just closed above, so I'm gonna take a long.
Yep, beautiful. Not a bad idea at all. Like I said, the long handle after the 30-minute close, so we expect to, grab that wick, and there you TP1 and put your stop in profit, and then expect to fill the range if she breaks through. That's how I would
Why did you put your take profit at 2028?
That is the well,
less?
you can go more. The reason that I put it there is because that's where the range fill is. So you want to start pulling your. We don't actually take profit 2. So essentially, our take profit 1 will be the top of the previous wick. Our take profit 2 is we pull the stop loss. So as we get close to filling that range there, we will pull our stop loss and keep it tighter there, and then continue to go on and on for there. So essentially, if the price goes all the way up to this red line here, then we're pulling our stop loss all the way up there, right? So it's just
Okay.
That's just how we manage the trades,
Oh.
or me. I'll say that's how I manage the trades, right?
Yeah. I see what you mean. So like, don't you take partials or anything?
Take a what?
Partial profits.
Well,
Like
on
at certain
futures,
prices.
on futures you run 2 contracts. So what reality will do is
Oh, okay, I
close
see.
one contract
Yeah.
and let the other one run.
Okay, I see.
I only run micros at the moment, so I only had 1 micro in this. I could make it a little bit more, I suppose, but
So it's like placing 2 different orders on MetaTrader, right? You just close one.
well, no, it's placing one or 2 lots and closing one lot at take profit
Okay. I see.
because the
Yep.
entries both at the same time. I was actually contemplating having another entry on the micros to see if you can add that, but it never goes anywhere. This stuff just doesn't move. It just sits.
Yeah, it seems like
And then all
after
of a
we
sudden you get this huge freaking run, and then where you can't enter anyway, and then you just go sideways again.
yeah, it seems like what I've seen is here as of late anyway is the news will come out. You get this big move from the news, and then everything just kind of consolidates. But I will tell you, last night when we left the charts, I'm going to blow this chart back up. Hopefully you guys can hear me as I speak here. Last night when we left the charts, we were right here. And I said what we need is consolidation so that we can build stop losses, which is exactly what we got here. And they came down and did what? Put on this bottom wick that we've been talking about for days. We've been waiting for this since we saw it like 2, 3, 4 days ago. Remember? And they came down, they grabbed them stops, and then what do? They come up top, grab these stops. That's what that push up was. Now we're hoping that they continue to push. You know, if you're long here, we're hoping that they continue to push and run up through here, which there's still a high likelihood they will. I mean, the stops are taken to the bottom, so we've already grabbed liquidity. We did grab the stops up top already now, but we are in the new range, so hopefully she'll come up, fill the range, and then maybe do some more sideways action in order to grab liquidity or grab stops again. So I mean, that's essentially what you're looking at this point. But I mean, that low, I was actually telling somebody about it this morning. If anybody watched that teaching video, we talked about that wick being filled there. And I was in another server and somebody was talking about being long. And I said, just be super careful because, you know, that wick is going to be put in. I mean, that's just how the price moves. And I showed him that video from a couple days ago when we were talking about that wick, and he said that he closed his long just before the news dropped, which is great because, you know, it would have been bad.
Yeah,
it would have been bad. So, luckily he listened. If anybody's still in this position, just know that in 10 minutes we got the close of the hour. So you want the hour to close above.
And the 4 hour, I think.
Yeah, probably 4 hour on spot. So you'll have to pay attention to that because on futures it's not the 4 hour yet. But we're closing the hour, so make sure that you get a close above. But remember, you're gonna have to deal with some drawdown. Why? Because the next candle, if we close above, should come down and put on a bottom wick. So it should put you into the red and then bang it back up. But again, if you're not in it, you're not in it. If you don't want to live through that, you know, think about taking some profits, going break even, something. But I will tell you, need to close above, put a bottom wick, and flip that candle again like this on the hour. You want to close here, and then you want the next candle to open up, put on a bottom wick, and then flip and continue to drive up to recover this wick. I mean, it's the same on every time frame. This stuff's fractal. So you're still looking for the exact same wick recovery on the 1 hour, and you're still looking for the exact same bottom wick and flip on the 1 hour. The only way that I would seriously consider dropping the trade is if it goes opposite of that. Basically, what will happen is you get a close below. Well, then manage your trade. What will happen if you get a close below? How are you going to manage your trade? If you get a close below, you just close the trade immediately? No. Why? Because we expect a top wick. So use that move from the top wick, grabbing these stops back up to exit your position, because now it's no longer in your favor, right? We always talk about how you manage these positions. That would be the way to manage your way out of this one. If it closes below here, you wait for the top wick up and you exit, or go to break even, whatever, chase it, whatever you're going to do, right? And if it flips and comes down, then you don't get hurt by taking the stop. There's no reason to. Same thing, we close above and put a top wick on first. We put a top wick on first, you definitely want to think about either taking profits or, you know, putting your stop into profit, because if we put a top wick on first, it could flip and put on a bottom, you know, come back down. So, and the only other way I'd manage it is if we have no top wick on this candle. If it closes all the way up here with no top wick, I would consider thinking about an exit strategy then as well. On NQ, I might consider a short depending on how we close. BioFX, guys. Power close, I would say. Look at my chart. I am looking at your chart. G-Flock, hey, what's up? I've been looking at it. Lockdown drill. Burb's had a lockdown drill. What? Oh, hey, Burb. You're actually here now.
Hello, Burb.
I hope you heard my whole thing about managing while we're in a trade. That's what you were talking about yesterday. That was the management of being in a trade in a winning position currently, but thinking, oh, you missed it? But we'll talk about it as soon as this candle closes. We'll go over it. Essentially, there's a trade. We already had a trade. I mean, I shouldn't say we already had a trade here. 30-minute closed. Got a wick down. So the flip of this candle would have been a trade. Manpour grabbed it. Got 20 ticks. Beautiful Manpour. But anyway, I couldn't take it because the stop was too big. So we were talking about ways to manage this trade on the hour close. Currently being in profit. You know, how you're going to manage it if it doesn't go exactly how we want it to go for the close here. Because we got still 6 minutes. So hopefully we can recover this wick and you're already, your stop's already in profit, right? But if it's not, then I was going over how you would manage it. You know what I mean? There's your wick. So we're good. We don't have to worry about it now. The wick, guys. Perfect trade for whoever got it.
We could also like perhaps double down on the bottom wick after the new hour opens. The candle.
Yeah, the next candle will open. Yeah, if this candle closes above, which is what I expect is going to happen, and we're going to drive up, then yes, what will happen is you'll come in, you'll open the next candle, and you'll go down first. It'll put a bottom wick on that candle to grab liquidity before pushing up.
Yeah, then there we could open another position, perhaps.
Yep, you could enter another position on the flip. Exactly. That's exactly the case. The only thing that I'd be super concerned about, like I said before, is if this candle does not have a top wick. If this candle closes flat or with little to no top wick, you may want to be a little careful of the move, because a lot of times that's, you know, that took the range out. So a lot of times it will turn around and come back down. But again, let's see how it closes, and we'll go from there. So far, it looks really good. I mean, the wick was recovered, exactly what we were looking for. The trade played out perfectly, and I mean, it may go to the moon now. I mean, there's no telling, and that was the whole point of being in it, right? Hey, how'd you not make money?
No, I was down.
Okay,
So
okay.
actually, I'm back at break even now.
Beautiful. Well, that's good. I was worried. I was like, hold on. Bottom wick on the hour and a flip. That means live to the end and won't make a bottom wick. If it closes with no top wick. Now, normally when it closes with no top wick, TJ used to call it railroad tracks. And that's essentially what it is. You're looking at a railroad track pattern. If it closes with no top wick, more than likely it's like a car hitting a wall. Boom. Kind of runs back down. So that's why we always have top wicks on these candles. So when we take a trade, we want a top wick, right? When we are looking primarily for our position, like the 30, we want this top wick. There's no top wick here. We're very adamant about taking the trade. Range now. Them wicks are range. So you want range. Know anything about SMM? Are you talking about social media marketing or whatever it is? I got all kinds of courses on it if you want it, Mr. Bot. Get multi. Yeah, I got too dang many, but yeah, I got a I mean, if you look here to the left, right, this is the range we're looking at. So we fill this one here, and then what do we got? We still got clean range. This big candle right here. This stuff normally gets recovered. It would not surprise me if this thing just shoots all the way up and comes all the way up here to fill this range, right?
However, I must also say that there is an order block if you are into that for an analysis. So, like, would go up, recover that, get that order block, and then keep our downtrend. Because, like, in the past few days, we're on a downtrend. So, it would make sense to mitigate the order block and then keep going down.
Yeah.
For this screen to be just like a pullback before continuing trend.
I've got a whole, I don't know, something about how to send your emails and all that crap. I don't know. I've got it somewhere. Mr. Biofix. I don't know nothing about that stuff, so I can't tell you. I just got courses on it because I won all kinds of courses on that stuff. I don't know. There's news at 10. New home sales. Okay. All right. Here, there's your push up. So we look for a bottom wick now, and then a break of those highs. There's not a ton of top wick. I mean, it could just push, obviously, but I mean, as of right now, like I said, you'd already be out of the position that we had. Not yet. You're still. So you wouldn't be out yet, but you would be to break even at this point. More than likely, if I was to guess, I'd say it's probably going to come back and stop you at break even at this profit. So you've got take profit 1 taken, and you're just chasing stop now with the price. So right here will be break even more than likely. If I was to guess, you won't live through the drawdown. I mean, if You took it the way I trade it, right? But take profit 1 would have been right. That would have been 26 ticks already for take profit 1. Would have been 260 up on that, and then just whatever you end up with on your second contract here. Cut plays. Been ranging. Chief Lock, hey, it's been ranging because, like I said, we talked about news. We had news come in and it'll push, and then it just kind of consolidates. It's not a bad thing. Like if you get stopped out here, just for fun, right? Well, we're going to build consolidation here. So you got TP1. You made $260. TP2, however, wherever you take it at, right? If you go right above your stop like I do, so right above, I'm 1 tick in profit. So essentially how I would manage that is you make $10 off of it, which pays for your fees. Because your fees are $3.98, basically $4. So the stop will cover the fees, the second contract on both of your contracts. So essentially you covered commissions. See, I'd be out there. So you cover your commissions and you made $260 profit. That's where you would have been on this per account, right? And now if it ranges and stays right here and ranges, then what are we doing? We're building orders, right? So building orders, what are we also building? Stop losses. What will they do? They'll come and they'll run the stops again. It's just the same repetitive cycle over and over and over and over again. Exactly the same thing they did right here. What happened? We were sideways, came up, grabbed the stops from this range that everybody was trading on the 5-minute. If you go down to the 5-minute, you'll see they were here. Grab stops below, stops above, came down, stopped out everybody that was trading, and then came up and grabbed stops to the top side. All the same thing. Yep. 260 profit across all of them. Done deal. Ranges in the wicks. That's what it is on smaller time frame. Go to the 5-minute, you'll see. 5-minute range. That's your range. That's the top of that wick. That's your range right there. Now they've created a range with stops below here, stops above here, as far as the 5-minute traders. Sense? Candle doesn't have a wick, you won't see a range. Up move or down move, not a range. Well, ranges are what we like to see. We want to see a range so that you have stop losses. There's no range, there's no stop losses. Fill. Exactly. Yep. You need liquidity to move, so you need orders one way or another, and the best way to get orders in this market, stop losses. Those stop losses are in about the same. So if you look at a range, right, you got guys that short from the top, you got guys that long from the bottom, right? So not everybody's trading it the same, but the stops are in the same place. So you on the top, some enter on 0.5's an order block, some enter on the entry of an order block, some enter on, support and resistance. Some enter on supply and demand. You know, they've got a million different reasons to enter, but what they all have in common is the stop losses. Thing on the bottom of the range. Or to actually get
That's
it.
why.
Go ahead.
Yeah, go on.
No, I'm good. Go ahead.
Well, I would say that's why I don't use a stop loss. So like,
Yeah.
I'm ungovernable. You know? I just add to my position or reverse.
There you go. There you go. You don't have to see the range for there to be range, Chief Lock, eh? Range regardless. You're gonna. I mean, I don't know. That's a funny way of putting it. Well, if it's a quick spike and a retracement, then the wick's going to be up, you know, hunt, and back down for back into range, right? That's a whole different wick. We're talking wick on these candles, not like the stop hunt wicks. Different thing. Bottom candle is not. That's stop hunt low. Built range on the 1 hour, then stop hunt low, high. Right. That's not normal movement. That was news.
Wick is a range, yes.
Yep. And I don't remember who we were talking to yesterday, but we were talking about catching this area right down here for filling that area. I mean, that's what we said on the live stream. I believe it was yesterday when we were talking about this, was filling down to this level down here. Aiden? Okay. Yep. But I mean, that's what we were talking about, was going all the way down to that area, and we did it. We took it out by, what is it, 2-3 ticks? Pretty perfect. That's grab and stops. Look at that. Perfect grab stops. And then people say things like, I don't understand. It came down, it wicked me, went, you know, 2 ticks below me, or wicked me to the tick and then ran back up. Well, that's because you were right there at the lows, right? Don't want our stops there. That's where everybody's stops were. When we say that, we're talking about, you know, swing traders, or that ran this big move, sadly. Or the guys that got involved in this move right here, because what are you supposed to do? You're supposed to buy the dip. Dip comes down, it grabs support. What do? They either put their stops here, or if they're a swing trader, put their stops down below this low, expecting that one won't be broke, and they'll tell you during news they will not get hit. Why sell was long? Hope he wasn't long. I hope he knew better. Guys, give me 1 second, all right? Give me 1 second. I'll be right back.
Okay.
All right, I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. I didn't realize I left my chart like that. Hey, Two Scoops. Good morning. We are retesting the highs where we will get wicked out by support and only to come down to break today's current low and test yesterday's low while coming back. Talking about Nasdaq. Yeah, okay. That's Mr. Bio's take on Nasdaq, guys. If that makes sense to all of you.
I disagree.
You disagree?
Yeah.
Well, there you go.
J-Flow nobody cares. Okay.
Sorry guys, I was just trying to go over it with somebody in DMs. They were trying to trade gold along here. Show them what we had going on here. Mr. Bio, Burb, Aquawolf, does the mic sound better? Never asked you guys. G-Flock, Rad Rat, and
I
Man
think
Poor.
it's the same.
You think what, Aquawolf? I'm sorry.
No, I said it sounds great. I mean,
Yeah,
how is you?
Perfect. Yeah, I got a new... I sound tired, yeah. You always say that, Burb. I got a new mic yesterday. So I spent all yesterday getting it set up, all yesterday evening and night trying to get it set up and zeroed in and all that good stuff. Hoping it was much better. Nah, I don't feel bad. I'm always working on something, G-Flock, eh? I am always in the middle of doing something. Life's good. Yes, life is good. Wasn't paying attention to all of the live stream messages from the other Twitch and Kick, so... What's up, man, boy?
Patrick Whelan's going crazy. I don't know if you saw that video that I posted. I sent you where he does the Apex challenge in one day. Oh yeah, Mr. Bio, you know about the one day challenge that's available again, or is it over again? I don't know. It's Apex. I don't know.
Yeah, it's on right now.
But anyway, yeah, he just did another trade here for a quick $5,000 profit. I don't know how many contracts he takes. Must be stupid. In that trade he took, it was 17 contracts.
Yeah, he's probably doing, I would say 150K or something, more than likely.
Yeah, that was a 150K eval that he passed in one trade.
Yep, that's full porting. Oh.
Yeah. I have no idea how he trades. It just looks like a
I think it's trade
Sort of
supply
thing
and
around
demand.
whatever.
Yeah, I think he put trade supply and demand just like a lot of them do on the 5 minute, I believe.
He trades 1 minute.
Oh, 1 minute.
He just
Jeez.
scalps. Yeah, he just scalps up and down.
Yeah, I've only seen one of his videos one time, way back when. I don't know. It's probably a year and a half, 2 years ago. I don't know. It's been a long time ago. Let's put it that way.
Yeah.
By ticks does he profit? Oh, he's got 17 contracts. So I mean, I don't know if he's trading. I assume Nasdaq or something of the nature. So
Nasdaq, yes. That
yeah,
was
so
Nasdaq.
17 times 5 is X times you need 9K to pass. So
Yeah.
I assume that
9K.
what just take 9K to divide it by whatever 17 times 5 is, and you'll see. Yeah, that top wick got it there. It's never going to re-break them highs. Don't look like. Looks like we are going to push down now. You took along at 17,710, Mr. Bio. I guess it didn't go well. I haven't looked at Nasdaq, so I don't know where she's. Oh, hey Jeff, how's it going? Didn't even realize you showed up.
Yeah, I have no idea where you entered, Mr. Bayer. I see there you're 17, yes, but you took a long. That means it's way gone already. Doesn't help me, spot.
Yeah, going great, Jeff. Going great. I called out a trade and man, poor got profit. That means it's a super good day. It's a better day than any other.
Recovering losses from the morning.
Yep, I see that. I like this microphone too. I can lean away from it and drink my water without having to worry about a microphone being stuck in front of my face.
Fast and like a robot. He does.
The Discord does not like my microphone apparently.
There we go. Same thing
Yeah.
again.
Here we go, man.
You can't hear me now?
Remember last time you got kicked out? You
Yeah.
all crackly and speaking fast. So what you need to do is just reboot your PC.
Yeah.
Man, I can't reboot the PC right
Before
now. We're
you
in
start
the
doing all the funny stuff.
I'm in the middle of a live stream.
Well,
Does it sound bad? Does it sound bad right now?
No, it's bad.
Yeah.
So you're crackly
Okay.
and fast, and so
All right, YouTube, just give me 1 second. I had technical difficulties in the Discord. Let me get this reset, and I'll be right back. Kick Twitch, sorry, didn't include you guys. I'll be just give me 1 second.
got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve.
You hear me just fine. I can't hear you at all. Or is anybody talking? Manpour, can you talk? Oh, Manpour's not here. Aqua Wolf, talk.
Hey, blah
Okay.
blah 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 blah.
Okay, I can hear you. I can hear you. All right. You can hear me fine, right? Hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay. Good, good, good.
No. Sorry, it's crackly.
No, now it's crackly again?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Dang, I don't know what I don't know what to do, honestly. Problem is, you should be able to hear me just fine on YouTube. It is a, it's a, Discord issue. Here, let's do this. Everybody just go and listen to me on the live stream first, alright? And at 11, I'll restart the computer. Okay? Hopefully you guys heard me.
I hear you now. Can you repeat what you said?
Okay, I said just, if you want, you could listen to me live on the YouTube, and at 11 I'll restart the computer.
Okay.
Because it should sound fine on there, unless you can hear me here. If you can hear me here, that's great, but you may not be able to hear me here. And I can't restart my computer, or else it'll restart the live stream as well on all the other platforms, so...
Yeah, no, I see what you mean.
Alright guys, you can hear me on YouTube, right? Yeah, G-Flock A, if you can, hopefully you're on YouTube. If you can hear me, G-Flock A, I'm considering live streaming through something other than Discord. I don't know, this isn't going well. It's the second time now that... I don't know. I was considering maybe Zoom? Or something? I don't know. Because, yeah. It's the same thing that happened yesterday. I mean, it sounds just fine on YouTube, right? Yeah, Skype could be in. Yeah. Does it sound good on Discord? Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Does it sound good on YouTube? I'm sorry. Does it sound good on YouTube? Fine there. I assume. I took it. I muted my mic on the Discord. It does, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I muted my mic there. So Burb, I don't think Burb knows what's going on. Tell Burb to go to live stream so that everybody hears. And we may have to come up with a different platform, honestly, to get this on. And I still got Twitch and Kick. I assume they're... Yeah, it reset. It did the same thing that it did last time. It just started spinning around and completely reloaded. It makes no sense to me why Discord does this, but it does. Obviously, it's alright. I can sit here and read the messages. The only problem that we have with YouTube, with you guys being on YouTube instead, is I think there's about a 10-second delay. So when you ask me a question, obviously YouTube will be about 10-second delay before it ever hits. So yeah, but and I could still share my screen if I was to get into any. Let me go ahead and throw that up so that you'll be live. Not that we're taking a trade anyways, because we're not, but you'll be live. I wonder, you know what? What about that VDO Ninja that we used? Oh, it's a 0 delay? There's no delay? That's perfect. Remember that VDO Ninja that we used? Maybe that's a good platform. Yeah, no delay? Well, that's perfect. No delay is good. That I like. I assume there was a delay. But OBS is doing really, really well. Okay. Yeah. Well, that's good. Yeah, I have a video Ninja. It's supposed to be a meeting. Everybody can share screen. Maybe we'll use that. I don't know. This is really irritating. I'll have to figure it out. Maybe I'll have to check more into Discord or something. This thing had stopped crashing for the longest time, and now it's started to crash again. So Video Ninja, everybody else can talk as well. YouTube. Now, most of you guys don't talk, so it's not. Ampor's not here. He talks. Aqua Wolf talks. Sometimes Jeff talks. I mean, that's what and Mr. Bio talks. So, I mean, that's what we're looking at here, right? And obviously, you guys can still talk. You can talk to me. I can hear you. Fly back. You're not still in that trade, are you, Aqua Wolf? Where are you? Are you there, Aqua Wolf? I lose my sound? Yeah, he's not talking back, is he, Mr. Bio? Maybe he's not on YouTube? Bio's not on YouTube either? Oh, G-Flock, I know you're there. The problem is I don't know if Mr. Bio or Aqua Wolf are on YouTube. Yeah, I know you are.
Yeah, no, I have closed the trade in profit,
Okay.
so
Good job. Good job.
yeah.
Graydon showed up for a minute and then left. I don't know what.
I have a limit order of an order block. So I was waiting day to fill that, which I didn't, but
Tell Mr. Bio he needs to be on the live stream, G Flock A, so that he yeah, maybe he can't hear me. I don't know. See something here. Yeah, JJ.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening?
I don't know how many of you guys are actually in the live stream that are here on bot. That was the program I was considering using for the live streams. Maybe if that will work, I don't know.
Ready tear the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5. No mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way. What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains. Go free me. People like sheep move feet. Hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep on this scheme.
Okay, Jeff, I ran it on there. What I was trying to figure out though is maybe we can do our live streams on that program. Not 100% sure, but maybe possibly we could do them on there. I don't know, Chief Lock. I'm not 100% sure. I wanted you to look at it because I don't know a lot about it. What I did, if you look at my screen on Discord, that's how I share other people's screens on OBS. So I was just wondering if maybe we could have our live streams on there. I don't know. You're better at that stuff than I am. I didn't know if it was something that could work or may not work or not. I don't know. I don't know a lot about it. But when I was looking at ways to share everybody's screen, this is what was recommended when I looked it up on Google. So basically I could put everybody's screen on there at the same time. And what I hope, guys, as we can, everybody that's on YouTube, Twitch, Kick, that's Jeff's screen there on the left upper hand corner. What I hope, several people in here trading all at the same time, so that it's much more entertaining every day. It progresses people to share their screen and trade. So kick who out? Talk about G Block, eh? There we go, guys. I got that adjusted a little bit better. Makes it a little bigger there. That's what. Better yet there. Yeah, there we go. thing just reset again? No. It crashed again. It sure did. I didn't even know it crashed, guys. I don't know why it's crashing. I have no idea. Hopefully you all can hear me, but I do not know why. Yeah. Thank you, Burb. Hopefully you can hear me, Burb. When I shared my screen and video. No, it's got nothing to do with it. I can take your screen now, though. Okay, and I'll put it on there. It's got nothing to do with sharing your screen and video. I was in OBS. I didn't even realize it crashed. Oh, you took your screen away, G-Flock, eh? There you go. I just ran it up top there for currently. Stop, I can run it wherever. Yeah, I can run it wherever, so it's kind of neat how it works. Obviously, depending on how many people their screens, I can run it however everybody wants. Take that, right? I can do something like this as well. Yeah, there you go. That. Put it. However, your screen's gone. What'd you do, G-Flock? I can't do nothing about you dropping the connection, though. That I can't help. You want pizza? There you go. Now you're back. And when it goes away, basically all it'll do is the screen will disappear off my screen. Hey Aiden, how's it going? He probably doesn't know I can't talk. You guys are being crazy now. Silent, Herb, it's on YouTube. It was on YouTube right this second. The only place you can hear me is on YouTube, Herb. So you'd have to go to the link. That link in order to hear me, Burb. At 11 o'clock, I'll shut down YouTube, Twitch, and Kick, and then I'll restart the laptop so that my sound starts working again on this. Till then, we just have to roll through here. Yeah, it is weird. I don't get it. I can't figure it out, Aiden. I have no idea why it does this. But we were in the middle of the live stream. Everything was working perfectly. The new mic's working beautifully. And all of a sudden the Discord crashed, came back, and now it's all crazy sounding. I can open the mic and let you hear. See, that's what it sounds like, Aiden. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but that's what it sounds like now on Discord, so it's all messed up. So as soon as the live stream's over, I can still hear you guys, obviously. I can still hear you if you talk. It just doesn't work for me to talk through there. We may have to come up with a different platform. Okay, yeah, absolutely. If you've got an idea, that'd be great, because I just don't get it. I mean, it was working really, really, really well, and I don't know. It's. But if we can't figure out something with Discord, we may have to actually work on the live streams on something else. But I was, one way or another. YouTube, Kick, Twitch, do you guys have any questions? Shut down at 11. We got about 5 more minutes. You guys got any questions? Hopefully some of you guys caught that gold trade earlier. Talking. Anybody in Discord, same way. If you got any questions, go ahead and let me know, because that'll help the people on YouTube, Kick, and Twitch as well. He wants to hear the answers, but ask the questions. Oh, Aqua Wolf left. All right. No questions, guys? Nothing? Nobody? over what we could see here. More than likely, guys, right? We're just and trade in this range. Up. We saw this 30-minute here. Closed. What you're looking for on this hour close, right? Whether we are here, close up top, so it's just move, you know, stops before moving up. So that close the big determiner. Now I don't care after 11 because there's not a lot of volume in gold after 11 unless we have news like after. But you see this level right here. More than likely, say that level's held. Down, you'll hold that level. Now, are we going to come back above here or not? Probably range about where. Side of these ranges, get below or above them, then wicks being filled, you know, downside. So what I would be looking for, again, I probably won't take any more gold today. So that's my take on it. I will go ahead and shut you guys down. Discord. I'm going to restart my computer as soon as I shut all this stuff down. So just bear with me. I will. You can't see my. Yeah, I can see it. Oh, it's because you're on top of me. Ah. Hey, how's it going? You got any questions before I leave? Yeah, your screen's on top of it, Chief Block. Hey, that's why. That's why you can't see my screen. Sorry, yeah. Because I put your screen on top of it. Yep, see you later, guys. Have a great afternoon. And Discord, like I said, I'm going to restart all my computer, so hopefully everything will start working well in Discord. So I'll be back in about, I don't know, 15 minutes, guys, to the Discord. And YouTube, Twitch, Kick, have a great afternoon, guys. And I will see you tomorrow morning. Hope some of you guys caught that trade earlier. Hopefully. Go, guys. Have a great afternoon, and I'll see you all tomorrow morning.
So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks. We out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized. We out here making posters and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh. Fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up. Play the game, bruh. Never stop. I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety. We make our own rivalries. Yo, so where
positivity. I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough
Cause
climb.
I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today.